This slide is a continuation of the dose 2.
It was, at times, a little hard to understand, but that may have been the point, to let the thousands of people watching the FDA meeting know that they did their homework. This was an independent panel of scientists and doctors going online and, in essence, putting the Pfizer vaccine on trial. Hour and hour of testimony against the frightening backdrop of COVID deaths in the U.S.
And it is estimated that about 55,000 deaths will likely occur every month over the next few months.
In the end, after more than 8 hours of testimony, the panel voted,
So we do have a favorable vote.
urging the Food and Drug Administration to authorize the use of the first vaccine that is shown to be highly effective at immunizing people against the virus. Once final approval is given, almost 3 million doses of the vaccine will be shipped out for immediate delivery. Within days, healthcare providers and residents in long-term care facilities will be given the first doses. It won't be enough to stop the case counts from rising, along with a record number of Americans who are now dying every day, while healthcare workers are begging people to take the virus seriously.
We're exhausted. We are exhausted, and there will be no room to care for your family members if this continues.
Goggles, N95s. We cannot have a drink of water for hours. We are so dehydrated, and we're doing everything for our patients because we know that they cannot see their families.
But in much of the country, many elected leaders are also not taking steps to stop the spread. Restaurants, bars, even bowling alleys remain open to the public. And with hospitals filling up, health experts are warning they may have to start rationing care, basically deciding who can get treatment and who can't. Pfizer says once it gets the approval, it expects to be able to produce around 50 million doses by the end of this year. The one hopeful sign for a country in a terrifying fight, one that right now it appears to be losing. Patty Culhane, Al Jazeera, Maryland.